Mr. Speaker, I rise to support the report of the Departmental Committee on Administration and National Security and the Standing Committee on National Security, Defense and Foreign Relations of the Senate for bringing this report on the vetting of the nominee for the Inspector General of the National Police Service. Mr. Speaker, all this is in compliance with Article 243(1) of the Constitution that establishes the National Police Service, Article 245, subsection 1 of the Constitution that establishes the office of the Inspector General of Police of the National Police Service, Section 10, subsection 1 and 4 of the National Police Service Act that sets out the functions and the powers of the Inspector General. And Mr. Speaker, the National Police Service is a very, very important organ of any state.
It is going to be the responsibility of this new Police Inspector General to make sure that those reforms are achieved in the shortest time period, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, in the interest of time, it is very important to account for every Kenyan, Mr. Speaker. As the majority leader has alluded to, the issue of extrajudicial killing, Mr. Speaker, must end. We must be a society that operates within the law and the Constitution, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, if someone has committed an offense, however big it is, he has to face the law in a court of, he has to face the law in a court of law, Mr. Speaker.